I just saw this ad on Facebook from a business coach and it made me mad. So I thought I'm going to do a video about it. So let's chat about what business coaches aren't really telling you and what you should really know. Okay, so I have just put my baby down for a nap and I've got a coffee. And the fun fact, my baby sleeps for like 30 minutes on the dot. I could probably set my clock after her. So I am going to hopefully get this video filmed and finish my coffee while she's still sleeping. So I wanted to chat to you today about this Facebook ad that I saw. And if you are in the online business space, you have probably seen ads like this all the time. You might have even gotten my Facebook ads because I do run Facebook ads as well. And my Facebook ads are kind of promoting blogging and helping you start with your blogging journey. But yeah, the Facebook ad that actually made me mad, it's not anything personal with the person who made this, or actually it was two guys in the video. It was a Facebook ad video of these two guys and they were kind of in the poll and promoting, you know, starting an online business, and they were saying how social media is wrong, blogging is wrong, everything's wrong, everything like that just doesn't work. You should do their own coaching strategy instead, right? And so obviously they have you sign up for this program where they teach you how to do what they are doing, right? To make all of this money, live this, you know, lavish lifestyle. And I don't know about you, but I'm actually starting to find it so funny getting Facebook ad after Facebook ad, and they are all so different yet so similar in the fact that they tell you what not to do and what to do instead, right? And here's the thing, I would get, let's say I would get ads, and I see them on Instagram as well because they are connected, right? So if you make Facebook ads, you can make them go on Facebook and Instagram at the same time, which is what I do as well. But yeah, I see these ads. So, you know, there's people like me who are saying, you know, create a blog if you want to make money online, create a YouTube channel or whatever it might be. Then there are people who say, you know, don't create a blog because blogs are dead. Spoiler alert, they're not. As long as Google is alive, blogs are alive too. Like whenever you go on Google, you type a little something, a little question, and you see all of these answers pop up, all of these websites. They are blogs, most of them, from people like me who started a blog. Then you go click on one of those results in Google, you read the blog post, and that person who wrote that made some money from you going and reading that blog post. So no, blogs are definitely not that, and in my opinion they won't be anytime soon either. Then there are people who say, yeah, blogs are that, start a YouTube channel instead. Don't get me wrong, I love YouTube. I actually have obviously a YouTube, I have 2 YouTube channels and a blog. I love both platforms, blogging and YouTube, and I feel like they actually merge together really well. If you're kind of undecided on what to pick between a blog and a YouTube channel, I have this other video where I go way more in detail about that, kind of pros and cons of each. But yeah, I get ads from these business coaches saying, don't do blogging, do YouTube instead. Then there are people who are encouraging you to start an Instagram business, right? Have an Instagram profile, get sales on Instagram, all of those things. Then you get ads from business coaches saying, no, Instagram is dead. Stop using Instagram. No more chronological feeds means it's all dead. Your reach is killed. You don't need to use it anymore. Which, to be honest, I would say use Instagram, but also have a backup platform, right? Don't base your entire business on Instagram because that's a really risky thing to do. Then you get those ads that say, oh, you know, those Instagram, YouTube, blog influencers. Forget all of the social media. You don't need social media. You actually need to create Facebook ads. Then there are people who say, no, you don't need Facebook ads. You just need to create this online course. Then there are people who say online courses are dead. They don't work anymore. You need to have a coaching business. And so you see where I'm going with this. I get these ads all the time, you know, kind of disproving the previous thing and pointing you in the different direction. And it is constant and relentless, and it can be so confusing. If you've just started your online business and you're kind of undecided which way to go, you feel like you've kind of started this blog here or you've kind of started this YouTube channel, and you know, you're slowly working on it, and then you get one of those ads that say, no, don't do YouTube, you need to do coaching instead. And you're like, oh, well, I was doing YouTube and I was kind of enjoying it, but this person says I shouldn't do it, I should do coaching, but I don't really like coaching, but maybe I should do it because that's how I'm going to get successful. And yes, it can be a lot, it can be confusing, it can really lead you astray, and that's how I felt in the beginning too. So the question here obviously is, who is right? Well, the truth is all of them and none of them at the same time, if you know what I mean. Yes, all of them are right in the sense that all of these little platforms, all of these little strategies do work, right? There are people who are making money from each of these platforms, from YouTube, from blogging, from having a coaching business, from having a membership, from selling digital products. There are people making money in any of these strategies, in any of these areas, right? So all of them are right in this sense, but none of them are in the sense that you have to do this specific thing, otherwise you won't be successful. That's just a marketing thing that they use on you to make you feel like you're left out, you know, give you that FOMO, make you feel like you need this specific course that they're selling probably, otherwise you just won't be successful in your online business. And the truth is, you can do anything that you want on these platforms. You can make any platform that you want, any type of strategy, any type of, you know, way of making money, and you can be successful. My point is that there is not just one strategy that's going to get you there. There are thousands, if not more, strategies that you can use, and it all depends on one, the type of business that you want to have, what your passions are, what you feel like you can help people with, what type of platform you enjoy creating content for. You know, you don't need to be on TikTok, you don't need to create the dancing reels, you don't have to do all of that if you don't like it. You can just have an email list and the product that you sell. You can just have a YouTube channel and, you know, reach out to brands for sponsorships. You can have any type of business that you want. There's no one right thing here. And I think that's really important to keep in mind as you go through this journey, because you will come across lots of these ads. You will come across people telling you on, you know, Instagram, those accounts that teach you how to do this, how to do Instagram reels, how to do email lists. You will come across people who tell you that what you're doing right now is wrong and you should do this thing that they're doing, and buy their course to teach you how to do that. And you know, if that's something you are interested in and you feel like you could benefit from, then obviously go for it. But if you're kind of like, oh, I was enjoying this, but I wasn't sure if now it's wrong that I'm doing this thing and I should go the other way, no, you keep doing what you feel like is right for you. There's no right or wrong here, there's only right for you. So next time you see a Facebook ad that makes you feel really crappy in your business and makes you feel like you're doing it wrong, just say, no thanks, marketing dude. I'm going to follow my path, do this thing that I'm passionate about, this thing that I'm enjoying and that I feel like is right for my business. And you can always pivot later on. You can always learn more and, you know, expand your business and learn more platforms. There's nothing wrong with that. My point is, go with what you feel like is right for you, and don't feel like you're doing something wrong just because that person in an Instagram ad told you so. Because the truth is, a lot of business coaches, they just want to get you into their business, right? They just want you to purchase their programs and get into their funnels so that they can sell to you. And don't get me wrong, I am a business coach as well, right? I have programs that I sell, courses. I have a blogging course, a YouTube course, an Instagram one, but I will never try to make you feel bad about the decision that you're making or the platform that you're using if that is working for you. I'm only here to try to help, right? Can't believe I actually managed to finish filming this video while my baby is still asleep. I'm gonna grab my laptop now and maybe start editing this video for once. And I actually get to finish my coffee too. Yeah, I hope you found this helpful and I will see you in my next video. Bye!